Hello everyone, this is Priya Agarwal. I am a certified nutrition expert and today we discuss about the blood pressure. So what is blood pressure? Blood pressure is defined as the pressure which is exerted on the wall of the arteries by the measurement of blood. So there is a various importance of blood pressure and it play various important role and its major role is in exchange of nutrient as well as gases across the blood capillaries, and second one it ensure the blood flow to the various organs. So जो blood pressure है it is helpful for the movement of the nutrients, gases, and for the movement of white blood cells and for the movement of hormones which are essential for our body through the circulatory system in our whole body. So the normal range of the blood pressure is 180 upon 120 upon 80. So this 120 is systolic blood pressure and 80 is a diastolic blood pressure. So normal range is 120 upon 80 mmHg. MmHg is a we can say that it is a unit of blood pressure. So blood pressure is denoted by mmHg. Okay, so what is systolic blood pressure? Systolic blood pressure is defined as the maximum blood pressure into the arteries. So when our heart beats, what happens? It squeeze and it push the blood through arteries into the rest of our body, and this force create a pressure onto the blood vessels, and so this is known as the systolic blood pressure, and the normal range of systolic blood pressure is 120 mmHg. When there is an increase in the level of blood pressure than 120 mmHg, then this condition is known as the hypertension. So there are various stages of hypertension, like elevated range is 120 to 129, and the next is the stage 1 hypertension, and in this the level, or we can say that range, is above than 130 to 139, and in stage 2 hypertension the range is more than 140, and there is a condition which is known as hypertensive crisis, and in this condition the range of the blood pressure is more than 180 mmHg. So in that condition, that is hypertensive crisis, the patient get hospitalized. It is necessary to hospitalize the patient, so because it is an emergency condition. So next one is the diastolic blood pressure. Diastolic blood pressure means the pressure into the arteries when the heart is at rest between the beat, or we can say that it is a minimum pressure that is obtained at the end of the ventricular diastole. So this is the diastolic blood pressure, and the normal range of diastolic blood pressure is 80 mmHg, and it is also have stages, that is stage 1 hypertension, and in this the range of the blood pressure is 80 to 89, and stage 2 hypertension, in this the range of the blood pressure is 90 or more than 90, and in a condition of hypertensive crisis the systolic blood pressure is more than 120. So normal range is in between 120 to 180, and in condition of hypertensive crisis the range of blood pressure is 180 upon 120 mmHg, and in this condition the patient, it is necessary to get hospitalized the patient. So this is the systolic as well as diastolic blood pressure. Now there are various type of factors that affect the blood pressure, like disease, different type of disease, like we can say that diabetes and many other disease which are responsible for the hypertension. Age factor is also responsible for increasing the blood pressure, that is in old age, we can say that elder women or men, there will be a chances of increase in blood pressure. They suffered from hypertension, and diet is very important. It has a very important role. So balanced diet will maintain our blood pressure, but if we take a excess of salt, then there is a chances of increase in blood pressure. So disturbance in hormones, caffeine increase the BP, and stress and drugs, some type of drugs, and it is also due to the heredity. So these all are the factors that affect the blood pressure. Now the symptoms of blood pressure. High blood pressure have symptoms like severe headache, nausea, confusion, difficulty in breathing, irregular heartbeat, so nose bleeding, chest pain. These all are the symptoms of high blood pressure. And symptoms of low blood pressure are feeling sick, blurred vision, confusion, coldness, जो स्किन है वो ठंडी पड़ने लग जाती है, so dizziness, fainting or feeling weak. These all are the symptom of low blood pressure. Now how we can treat the blood pressure? The treatment of high blood pressure is take a low salt intake. मतलब जो ऐसी डाइट लेनी है हमें कि हाँ उसमें सॉल्ट कम हो, बिकॉज सॉल्ट इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इंक्रीजिंग द ब्लड प्रेशर. रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज विल इम्प्रूव द ब्लड प्रेशर. एंड क्विट द स्मोकिंग, बिकॉज स्मोकिंग इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इंक्रीजिंग द ब्लड प्रेशर. एंड कट ऑफ द कैफीन फ्रॉम योर डाइट, रिड्यूस द स्ट्रेस, ईट हेल्दी डाइट, एंड lose extra weight, because increase in weight is responsible for increase in blood pressure. So these all are the some treatments by which we get जिससे हम हाई ब्लड प्रेशर से बच सकते हैं. सो नेक्स्ट वन इज़ द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ लो ब्लड प्रेशर. लो ब्लड प्रेशर को ट्रीट करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अमाउंट में सॉल्ट इनटेक करेंगे, ग्लूकोज लेंगे, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अमाउंट में वाटर लेंगे, एंड इफ़ नेसेसरी देन टेक सम मेडिसिन. सो दिस इज़ द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ हाई ब्लड प्रेशर एज वेल एज लो ब्लड प्रेशर. सो दिस इज़ अबाउट द ब्लड प्रेशर. सो थैंक यू.